In today's video, you will learn how to make the text bigger in Snapchat. First, what you're going to do is go to your App Store and update Snapchat. And when it is updated, press open. Then you are going to click on the chat icon near the bottom left. Now you are going to choose who you would like to send a message to. I'll send one to my AI. And here you are going to type what you would like to say. And you see those two arrows? Click on that, hold it down, and slide it up to make it bigger, or slide it down to make it smaller. But in this case, we're making the text bigger. Release to send, and there it is. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.